What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike.
And I'm Owen.
And today we're going to be covering a few common questions we get about our LAC board, setup and operation. Our LAC board, as you probably know, is intended to work with our P-series actuators. It's a closed loop board that gives you control over how the actuator operates. And we're just going to cover a few common questions we get about the board.
Before using the LAC, make sure you read the datasheet and quick start guide on our website so you have an understanding of how the board works and how to set it up correctly.
So the first and one of the most common questions we get about the LAC board is, why isn't the light on? With most electronics, you plug them into power and the light comes on. The LAC board works a little bit differently in that the light will only illuminate if it has power and is connected to a recognized input. So if your light's not on, it means that your power source is not working properly or that your input signal is not recognized by the board.
Another common problem with the LAC is the actuator oscillating around the target position. This usually means the accuracy setting on the LAC board is too high. You can remedy this by adjusting the accuracy potentiometer counterclockwise slightly and then recycling the power. Repeat this until the actuator stops oscillating.
Another question we get fairly regularly is, can I use your LAC board with larger actuators from other manufacturers? And the answer is yes, you can. The LAC board does have the ability to work with large actuators from other manufacturers, provided they are between 6 and 24 volts and have a potentiometer style feedback signal. The only other thing to note with that is we're not able to support actuators from other manufacturers. So we can give you assistance with the board, but if you're using it with a non-Actuonics product, there is some limitation to the support we can offer for that.
Another question we get from customers is, can I power my LAC board with the USB connection alone? The answer to that is no. Most USB ports don't have enough power to support both the LAC and actuator at the same time. So you'll need to provide the power from an external battery pack or DC adapter. Just make sure that it matches the rated voltage of the actuator you're using.
Another question we get regularly is, can I use your LAC board with Arduino? And the answer is yes, you can definitely use the LAC with Arduino. There are a couple of things to note. The first is that the LAC and the Arduino board have to share a common ground in order for this to work properly. Another thing just to keep in mind is that we can't offer Arduino support. So when it comes to code and Arduino specifics, you will have to rely on other sources like the Arduino forums.
The last question we'll cover is the LAC board IP rated? The answer is no, the LAC board isn't IP rated. To protect the LAC from physical damage, we recommend the case we sell on our website. Just note that the case isn't waterproof, so we still recommend mounting the LAC in a location that is safe from dust and water intrusion.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope this has helped you understand a few of the common issues that we hear about with LACs and how to get past them. If you have any more product questions, feel free to check out our website at actuonics.com. There's lots of documentation on the LAC page specifically that can help you get the most out of your LAC. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.